Today I'm in Nissan Pasig. Hi, thank you for watching this video. This is the review of Nismo Royale Patrol. Wow. We have fog lights, daytime running lights, headlight washer, front parking sensor, that low Nismo lip, Nismo grill, Nismo skirt, and a very big alloy wheel. The red vent, V8 with a camera, no blind spot, side mirror blinker, keyless entry, huge disc brake, rear spoiler with nice exhaust, and the spare tire. You have a wide body kit without any function, it's just plastic. Rear view sensor. It's a Nismo version, guys. Tow hitch receiver, and there you have the Nissan Patrol Royale. Let's get inside. This car is fully padded with leather. Has memory seats, nice chrome accented buttons, window fold, and then mirror control, storage, and cup holder, speaker, and a step board. It's 8-way powered seat, rear power gate on and off, side brake, brake pedal, and accelerator. The vent. Let's get inside. Oh, someone left the hand key. So driver's seat looks like this. It has mirror with vanity light. It also has mirror with vanity light. Sunglass case. The button for the sunroof. Let's see if it works. Okay, it doesn't work. It needs ignition. You have huge glove box, huge center console. It opens both ways. There's a button here. It also opens up like that. Cup holder, ashtray, and you have the infotainment, LCD screen, audio control with CD player, air condition without the information showing here, but they will show here. Cruise control, hands-free, automatic lights, push start button, and when you turn on the lights, it looks like that. You don't see anything, but it looks like that. There's a very tiny monitor over there. Next page. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, you have to press it this way. You also have the button to adjust the light. Let's adjust the light. That's it. So you have handle there in the A pillar. There's also a lock and unlock button here. And here. Let's enter the back. This is where people usually stay, the VIP area. You have a speaker, wooden trim, padded, leather all around the door. Storage, cup holder, speaker. And let's enter. What are the bells and whistles in this back? You have your monitor, headrest monitor. You have your own light. You have your vent. You have your handle. You have your hook. This is another vent. Probably vent to remove heat outside. You have airbag, handle. There's a pouch at the back, which I like. There's the vent for the foot mode. Here, this is the button that opens up the center console like that. Fast charge USB, independent volume port where you can control your own volume. Ashtray, air condition with a small display here. And here's the armrest with 2 cup holders, and that's it, fully padded. It's a really nice experience to be back here. So you also have the third row. You have your own aircon, and you have very spacious seats for 3 people with cup holders and power, 12-volt power. Oh, it's there, 12-volt power, cup holders. This is a power gate, and there's a light over there. This room mirror has the compass here, and it has auto dimming, which is quite nice as well. How do you like the wood trim? Looks luxurious. Yeah, you might need a driver for this. Oh, we almost forgot. Cooled seat, heated seat, USB 12-volt, automatic light, automatic transmission. You have the drive modes, downhill assist, differential lock, traction off. You have sand mode, on-road, snow, rock, and also everything. Let's go! Thank you for watching. So guys, what do you think about this car? If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and put those comments. Your comments mean a lot to me. Thank you so much.